Hello, everyone. This is just the Saturday after our crusade in the Tabor. My husband and I, we were going to school. We had appointments for our son and our daughter to get their reports. They just started the school in mid-February, and we just decided let us take a walk. We were tired, and when we got there at the gate, one of the students walked us to the new classes. What they do is that every parent that walks into the school, they just take them to the class, whether you know or not, and they're so friendly. They'll be asking us, "How was your day?" and "How is your morning?" Yes, here we just entered the class of my daughter. She's in grade R, and we sat down to check her books. Please don't mind the upside down. I wasn't aware that my phone was capturing upside down. So we're just looking at her work while my husband was busy on his phone with some transactions. They offered us a juice and they also offered us biscuits. Yes, you can see here they're doing Bible stories, Moses. At least she's doing a great job for a grade R. Yeah, so we just had to go and meet the teachers and see how their first month was at school and how they did well. Yes, here it's Moses crossing the Red Sea, yes, and the Ten Commandment tablet. So it's just so wonderful. And we were just looking at the books. She's neat with her schoolwork, and now I can see everything that she was telling me about at home, what she's doing and all that. And I was happy. I went through all the books by myself while Didi was busy on his phone. And as you can see, her coloring. And one thing about my daughter, the way she would write three, it's the other way, and sometimes five is the other way. But for a grade R, I'm so glad with her work. And my husband was just taking a moment to see where his money is going to and how the kids are responding to the education they're receiving. And this is a Christian school, guys. So when we were done, we didn't know how to locate them. My son, grade 4 class, and one of the teachers asked one of the learners to walk us to their class, and that is it. We were done. We took all the reports, and then from here on our way to Johannesburg, the hospital, a close family friend of ours called us just before we started the crusade that we should come and pray for their spouses. So we went there immediately when she called. It was on a Monday, and throughout the crusade, we were just praying for him. And then here we were at the hospital just to go and pray together with them before he enters the theater. And by God's grace, he's healed and he's out of hospital. I've been waiting for the final testimony, the work, the healing to complete. Thank you for watching.